Hi, I'm Lee Smith, Head of Commercial here at Ellard, and today I'm going to talk a bit about my background and my daily experiences at Ellard. My key areas of expertise are taking a product through from design phase, right through manufacture, through to delivery and to the customer, trying to keep, transparency throughout all stages really to ensure the optimum customer journey. From anything from commercial matters to technical matters, to going seeing customers, to being down on the shop floor helping with issues or resolving stock, etc. So yeah, lots of variety in the role. I guess with no prior experience of the industry, what I've brought to Ellard really is, just validation of my working career. So starting from the point of manufacture through to sort of project management and product management in between, and then through into a commercial role, I guess I've seen every step of the journey. So the most frustrating part is obviously project management, and when you're in the middle of not only things being made, but them being sold and agreed, etc. So I guess what I bring is that complete sort of life cycle of business and trying to wrap that up into one for the betterment of the business overall, really. Simple, this one, don't lie. Customers just want the truth ultimately. So in its simplest form, Ellard are a stockist. We need the right products and we just need the transparency with it. So if there's a product we don't have, we look to source it, test it and make it available. And throughout that journey, it's about just giving clear communication throughout and standing by our promises in all that we do. Again, another simple one really. So this is going seeing our customers regularly, asking what they want. We've got a saying as part of the new strategy really, which is needs, wants and desires. Needs being short term, wants being sort of mid-term, and desires being blue sky thinking. It's about understanding what the customer wants, how realistic and commercially viable in its simplest form that can be, and then putting it through into our newly found new product introduction / new product development process, and ensuring that we select the right product, take it through vigorous testing, and then obviously make it available for sale once successful. I define success as having made either a product, process or a customer's experience with us better. The size of the improvement is irrelevant as long as I can go home each day knowing I've added value in my efforts.